Maytag Refrigerator Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Maytag refrigerator repair that consists of Maytag refrigerators, Maytag refrigerator freezers. We carry all Maytag refrigerator parts for all Maytag models. Is your refrigerator not cold enough? Your refrigerator water dispenser not working? Your Maytag refrigerator ice maker is not working? Your refrigerator ice dispenser is not working? Your Maytag refrigerator is not defrosting? Your refrigerator is too noisy? Your refrigerator has defrost drain problems, or possibly you have a refrigerator that's leaking water. We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.